Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly install Zoom on your Ubuntu operating system. There are plenty of different ways to install software on a Linux system. You could either compile the code yourself, or you can use the Ubuntu Software Center. Most users like to use the Software Center, which is this here. And all you would do is type in Zoom. You can scroll down. And here you click this. All you do is click install, and you're good to go. Now, if you're the type of person who likes to use the command line, I'll show you how to do that in this video. Right now, before you move forward, right, the first thing you need to do is to verify what type of operating system you're running. Now, to do that, you're going to have to go into settings. You scroll down to the about section. Mine was already chosen because I had this one open previously. And you can see here by the OS type, I'm running a 64-bit system. So that's exactly the type of Zoom software I'm going to have to download. So I'm going to close this out. What we're going to do is we're going to go into the Zoom Download Center. You're going to choose your system, right? For this video, we're talking about Ubuntu, so I'm going to choose Ubuntu. I'm running a 64-bit system. If you're running a 32-bit system, that's what you're going to have to download, okay? So, and for the version, they don't have any higher versions greater than 16.4. So just choose the earliest version here. You're going to hit download. Save it to your downloads folder. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to open back up our terminal. Clear. And the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to update your packages, right? So we're going to do sudo apt update. Right? Now what you're going to do is enter the following. You're going to move over to your downloads folder. Oh, I'm already there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to enter the following. Right? Now remember, I'm running a 64-bit system. Okay, so I'm going to keep 64 here. If you're running a 32-bit system, all you need to do is change this to 32. Right? Hit enter. Hit yes. Let it do its thing. Okay, so now when I go to search, I should be able to type in Zoom. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click Zoom and add, oh, mine is already added to favorites because I added this software earlier, I guess a few months prior, okay? But what you're going to need to do is you can right click and click add to favorites. And that's pretty much it. It's a very simple process. Thank you for watching.